Hello everybody. Today we're talking about how can simulate stairs in 3D modeling in ETABS programs. We have two types of stairs. This one for have three ways, and this one have two ways. This have one duct in the mid height of the floor. This one have two duct, one in third of floor and one in 2/3 of the floor. The total height of the floor is 390 centimeter. The first ways have 150 centimeters. The second one have 90 centimeters, and the third one have 150 centimeters. The second type have two ways. The first ways have 195 centimeters, and the second one is the same. How can simulate this type and another type in ETABS program by 3D modeling? We convert the architectural plan to structural plan as it is. This one have three ways type and this one have two ways type. How can simulate it in ETABS in 3D modeling? The first steps, we do some layers for the structure element, one for beam, one for columns, one for slab, ordinary slab for the floor. After that, we take these layers to simulate the slab structural element, like this is for all slabs, and this one for beams, and this one for columns. After you finish that, you can make the layers for stairs only. I take one column here to show how you can model it by layers. We take the column layers like this and take polyline. You can draw by ordinary polyline or a rectangular polyline like this, and after that take from this corner to this corner. Now you finish all the column. After that, you can modeling the beams like these beams. You take layers of beams like this and take the line, ordinary line, and take from the middle of the side of column by center line of beam to the another point in the another side. This is the beam in the middle height of the story with this duct, and another beam here. It must be divided three parts like the second stairs in the middle of the floor. So you can draw the beam here. This is the center line until here. This is the first part, and second part the last of the steps, and stop here, and the last part for the duct stop here. So we can modeling all of the beam and ordinary slab and all of the column. Now how you can modeling the slab of stairs? It must be draw new layers. This layer's name 0 score stairs like this, and get it new colors, different colors like this one. Okay, and close. So it shows this layers stairs, and take rectangular or polyline and select the parts you can modeling in 3D. Like you choose this duct. It must this duct loaded in this beam, so it must this one get over the beam like this type, and another duct like this, and between two ducts we can get steps of stairs like this. So this part it must be loaded here and here, and another first part of the stairs for step stairs until here, and another one also from here to here. So now we make the slabs for stairs like this one. If I make this type, so I will do like this from here until here, because this duct, this slab duct, it must be loaded in this beam in the same level in the middle height of the floor, and another slabs from here until here, and also from here until here. Now we finished modeling every layers for every structure element, column, slabs, beam, opening, anything you need to modeling, it must be draw it here and convert it to ETABS program. After that, we can take copy from this plan like this, select all and make copy, open new folder and paste here in any location like this one. If you open layers, you can find some layers we don't need it here, so we can delete it. Format, layer tools, layer delete, and it shows what is the layer you don't need it in the plan like this one. Any layers you don't need, you can choose it like this one. After you finish, maybe some layers you can't delete it, so you can press space and yes. Now we support the notification. After that, we can choose some layers we can't delete by the previous order and delete it by keyboard. Now we finish it. If you open layers, you can find this layer. Maybe you can find another layer you can't delete it. If you need to remove it, close the light here. After that, select the plan like this and make copy and open new folder and paste it here at any location like this. So the plan now it find here. If you open layers, you just find your layers, you make it to simulate the elements. After that, you make the original point, take line from the left side and the line from the bottom side like this one. This point is the original one, we need to move it to 0, so can select the plan and move it from this point to 0, 0. Now the plan get in the original point. We can delete these lines. After that, we save the file, save as, and desktop we can make it stairs. The important thing is the type of file. It must be AutoCAD DXF, like this, and we can choose some files like this one and save. Now we can close the AutoCAD. After that, we open the ETABS program and make new model from here. It shows the type of units. We can use metric SI units like this and OK. We put here the number of stories. We can get 84, no problem. And put here the height of the story. So find it after the sum of the levels. 390 centimeter. It must be 3 meter point 9, and the height another floor 3.9 like this. We can now delete the grid lines. We don't need it. After that, choose the blank and OK. After that, we choose file, import DXF architectural plan. We choose the file, and here choose the unit. You draw it in the AutoCAD program. Now we choose meter, and you choose the story. You need to put the architectural plan in it. So story 1, the first story, and OK. The plan it get here in 3 dimensions, but in 2 dimensions not get now. So go to plan, and it choose the story 1. OK. So the plan is get here. Now we need to draw the structure element, different element. In this video, we just need to know how can simulate the stairs. So I will draw stairs. And if you need to complete it, it must be beginning by the stairs, because if you get it in the last part, you can't view the point, the slabs, the beams. So you can find some problem to choose and select some elements. So the 4 stairs, it must be beginning it to can draw it easy. How can draw? We can go to the model windows here and choose 3D view and choose architectural plan. Your layers is here. We need to draw stairs like this. First, it must be draw or defined as a section of the slabs or stairs, section or slab section, and add new model. We get 8 stairs and get the thickness is 250 millimeters. The type is slab is okay, okay, and okay. If you need to change the units to meter, display units from here and you choose this arrow and consistent unit and you choose here from millimeter to meter, change it, and the force from Newton to ton is okay if you like it, and okay. After that we can define also the beams for frame section, add new section, rectangular, and choose B. We put is the dimension for this beam is 0.6 is depth and 0.2 is width. Any dimension you need is okay, okay, because I need this beam to put it here in the level of the stairs and also here. Now how can draw the stairs and the beams? We can select this draw floors and walls like this one. After that we choose the type or the name of the slabs. We get it stairs like here, and you choose the layers and click right in the mouse and add area object. Now all of the stairs is draw like this one. It's easy and draw all of the slab stairs at the same times. Now we need to change the location of these slabs, get the exact level for every duct and every stairs. We can choose this slab, this duct, and choose the point is connected with it, like this point, and also this point, and also this point, and also this point, and they need to move this one down by 150 centimeters. So it must be go to edit, move joint frame, and you choose Z direction and get minus 1.5 meters and okay. If you see here, the slab of the duct get the down level and these slabs get from the level of the floor to this duct. After that, we can choose this duct and also this slab with it, and this point and this point also, and also edit, move to level equal to minus 1.95. If you sum the first level and second level, it must be get this number and okay. You can see here, it's exact, get the level, it must be duct in it. After that, we can choose this point and this point and edit, move to minus 1.5 meters from this level to another level to the beginning of the stairs. Okay, it's get easy like this one. So the stairs beginning from here to the first duct, and the stairs here to second duct, and the stairs here to the level of the floor. It's easy to do it. If you need to do like this one, so it must be moved this one in the middle height of the story. So choose this slabs and the point connected with it like this one. After that, go to edit, move, and get it minus 1.95. This is the middle height of story is okay. All of them it change to the level it must be get it. After that, choose this point, this one, and this one, and edit, move. It must be go to the total height. So minus 3.9 and okay, it must get like this. So this is the first type of stairs and the second type of stairs, no problem. After that, we need to draw the beams. So it must be select here, draw beams, and it shows the section of beam B, and go to layers of beams, right click, draw, add beam object. So all of the beam is drawing. You can find it by 3 dimension, extrude frame, extrude shell, if you need to find the 3 dimension like this one. This beam get in the middle floor, so it must choose it like this, and edit, move to the minus 1.95 is okay. It change it in this location, it must get it here, and also this one, this part and this part and this part, move to minus 1.5, okay, change here, and after that change this one and this point in the level of the second or the first duct, like this one, minus 1.95 is okay. Now we get the 3 dimension here. If you need to find the 3 dimension also here, choose this windows and set display option, and again extrude frame and extrude shells like this one. You can find the stair here is okay, everything is right, is okay. After that we need to copy the stairs from this floor to another floor. Also we can draw the another slabs. If you will choose this one and you choose the slab and you choose the thickness here like slab 1, and choose the slab layers, add area, we can draw the slab, no problem. Also we can choose the column like this, draw line, choose the section of the column, concrete column, and you choose column, add column, no problem. So the first floor like this is finished. So now we need to make copy from this stairs, 2 type of stairs for the second, third, fourth floor, any number for stories. So just we need to select the slabs and the beam with it, so we can get by any way. We can select it by the order select, properties, slab section, stairs, select, close. You can find here is select only the slabs, and after that select the beam with the slabs level, or we can find it from the view, 3D view, exit plan and OK, and after that we can close this toggle. We can find here also select the beam, but we can choose the beam now like this one here, choose the beam like this, and after that make edit, replicate 3 times, 4 story, 4 and 3 and 2, and OK, we can find it here. Now we select and make copies from this one in 3 dimension. If you find the 3 dimension, we can find the stairs here. Now we can make copy for any element in structure element, in structure slab, and copy it also in the level for it, and put the load and make the solution, no problem. Just one thing, it must be, you will know it, the support for the stairs. Here we can't find any support for this point and this point, and also another one, this point and this point. So from here to here, this one is cantilever type, slab cantilever type. This is not true, so it must get plan and base and OK. If you select all the point here, you can find the new point, 2 here from this stairs and 2 here from this stairs. It must be assign, joint, restraints, and it shows the type of the support. It must be fixed, OK, and find the 3 dimension like this. Now we finish it. You can simulation this building in 3 dimension exact, and no problem for the connection element together. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.